Hey everyone, welcome back to the Fusion Expo. Today we have got something incredibly exciting to unbox and review. That's right, we have the brand new iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Plus purchased from Apptronics. Before we dive into the video, if anyone doesn't subscribe to my channel, please subscribe, like, share, and hit the bell icon to get notifications on my in-depth review, videos on the latest iPhone 15 series. Let's not waste any time and jump right into it. Here is the box. Assembled in India. And inside we have the beautiful iPhone 15. The Type-C cable. And in this video, we will also see what we can connect through USB Type-C. The white color sticker, SIM ejector tool, user manual. This is a standard iPhone silicone case where you can feel the softness inside and rubber outside. You will find the same in the iPhone 15 Plus box too. Both phones look too good. The blue one, which almost looks like white rather than blue, and the black one, which is almost black. I personally suggest these two colors to pick from iPhone 15 and 15 Plus. The only difference between the iPhone 15 and 15 Plus models is the display size and the battery. When compared to the older iPhone, this has a soft touch on the back, and we can also see the side edges are a bit curved. And when compared to Pro, we don't have an action button in 15 and 15 Plus. We also get these with a great camera upgrade, but the telephoto lens will be missing here. The another great upgrade that finally came in the 15 series is this dynamic island. By using this, you can do a lot of things, like if you open some music app and play a song and go background, it will get minimized and added into the dynamic island, which looks pretty cool. You can hold onto it and make it big and control the app here. If you start recording or add timers and keep it in the background, that will also get added. If you get notifications on 2 or 3 applications, you can also access all from here. By side, I can control music and also the timer. Also, a new feature is added, like you can share details between iPhones by touching each other. We have a 2000 nits peak brightness outside. Now we have finally the Type-C cable for the iPhonies, which is the greatest thing a dead. But the only difference when compared to Pro series is that Pro comes with USB 3.1 port and the 15 comes with a 2.0. Now we will connect accessories and check what all we can do with this USB Type-C port. You can connect to the monitor, you can connect hard disk and access data in it. You can connect accessories like gaming consoles, even PS4, keyboard, mouse, Type-C earphones, external speakers, and much more. If you have a USB micro cable to charge any phone or accessories from iPhone, you can use an OTG and connect your cable. In this way, you can also charge any old iPhones with a lighting cable and much more. Now let's check the charging using different adapters and cables of Apple and Android. We connected the iPhone cable with the iPhone adapter and got charged. We connected the Android cable with the Android adapter and got charged, so we can connect any Android adapter and cable to charge the iPhone now. We also use a laptop Type-C charger, and it also gets charged. Now let's see what we can do with this Type-C to C cable. If we connect the cable from iPhone to iPhone, the phone with less battery percentage will get charged. If we connect the cable from iPhone to Android, it directly charges only the Android phone, though you have a less battery percentage in iPhone when compared to Android. If we connect the cable from the iPhone to any accessories, it directly charges the accessories. If we connect it to the laptop, it will charge the iPhone, but we can't charge the laptop. Now let's talk about the performance. This 15 series iPhone formula is that last year's Pro series, things have been added to this year's non-Pro series. The same thing happened with the processor, that last year's Pro series, best performance A16 processor has been added, and the same performance can be seen. But the thing is that we have only 60 Hz of refresh rate panel. Though we have the 60 Hz panel, we don't see any lag while playing the games and performs very well. Overall gameplay or performance is really smooth. You can run 3 or 4 apps at a time and use them very smoothly. It comes with iOS 17. You can see the features like standby mode during charging. You can touch the iPhone and transfer contacts. And you can express reactions by using hand gestures during video calls, which will work in normal WhatsApp, Google Meet, and other video call apps. You can also make the live photo as the wallpaper and much more customizations to set wallpapers. You can also make the iPhone get talk in our voice. Let's move to the camera. It's really a big thing that in the normal series, the 12 megapixel is now upgraded to a 48 megapixel camera. So the quality and the details now look much better. In this 48 megapixel camera, if we take photo in normal, we will get photos by default in 12 megapixels. To enable 48 megapixel, you need to go to Settings, Camera, Formats, and Enable Resolution Control. I captured the camera during day and night time, and the pics look really great. We will soon have separate in-detail video regarding the camera picture, video quality, and all the several options that we have in the iPhone 15. It has 0.5x, 1x, 2x, and this 2x is just showing by making the 1x a bit zoom, and you can zoom till 10x. The other thing that is really good is that we can record videos in 4K 60 FPS on both front and back cameras. In videos, you can zoom till 6x. There is also an auto portrait feature. If you take a normal photo, you can change it to portrait mode. I took a normal photo in live mode by clicking here and focus before capturing. Then in the software, I selected portrait mode, and here the normal photo is changed to portrait. If you don't enable live mode and click focus before taking the photo, you will not get the portrait option to change later. When it comes to charging, I just checked a basic charging time using the 20-watt Apple adapter to charge iPhone 15 from 78% to 88%. It took me around 16 mins to charge 10%. Apple said up to 50% charge in around 30 minutes with 20-watt adapter, which we will come up with an in-depth video on charging, battery performance, camera, and much more. So stay connected by clicking the subscribe button and clicking the bell icon, and please do like, share the video. When it comes to price, we have iPhone 15 for $80,000 and 15 Plus for $90,000. Also, we can buy this much cheaper as we currently have $5,000 discount going on with HDFC bank cards and with some exchange offers. So, if you add $10,000 more to your budget, and those who love watching and playing games on big screen can go for 15 Plus for the bigger display size and big battery. Whereas iPhone 15 is really handy, feels comfortable, and is lighter in hand, with only 171 grams of weight when compared to 15 Plus, which is 201 grams of weight. So, that's all we have today. Thanks for joining us, and we'll catch you in the next video. Also, drop a comment down below and let us know your thoughts on the iPhone 15 and 15 Plus. Until then, stay tuned and goodbye.